Hello, my name is Ari Isaac. I'm a GIS analyst at the Port of San Diego, and today I'd like to talk about how we can use our PortGIS program to share our images and our maps with other people at the port so that we can be more clear about location-based information. So basically what we're going to do is run through a quick scenario where a tenant has contacted one of our asset managers and said that there's a manhole that needs to be fixed. So one of our asset managers is going to send an email over to General Services and explain exactly where the manhole is using a map, and we're going to take a picture of the manhole using our Street View tool. And that way it'll complement the email that we would write over to General Services. So the first step is to get to our PortGIS program. And it's located right here, 6 Systems, PortGIS. Okay, and we're going to use PortGIS Explorer because that has the Street View tool on it. So our call came in from Tuna Harbor, which is located down here. It's where the fish house is if you're a visitor to San Diego. So basically we want this image, and we're going to draw a little circle here so we can edit the image once we take the picture. And we also want our Street View image. So I'm going to click Street View, and then I'm going to click in the area that the manhole is so I can identify it clearly, and it passes in the variable into Google Earth, the X and the Y variable, and it brings up the Street View image. By default it looks north, so we're going to turn west and then come right down here, and here's our manhole in question. So, but we want to make the image just about like that size. We're going to crop it, and we're going to draw a little circle right on this manhole so we can identify it in our email. So let's open up Paint, Start, All Programs, Accessories, Paint, and everybody should have this. It should come with your operating system. It's a real basic graphic design software, but it's perfect for what we're doing. So let's activate this window, and let's make sure these roads are showing here, and then we'll press Control Alt Print Screen. So basically that takes a picture of this active window, and then come over to Paint and press Edit Paste, and so it pastes our window into Paint, and now we can edit our image here. So we want to draw a little circle right on the manhole. So we want this line, and we want it to be a circle, and this is just an outline. This is a filled in circle, and we want it to be red. So we're going to draw our circle just like this. There we go. I think that's clear enough. And then we're going to grab this to crop it. So we grab these trees and the name that says what the street name is. So this is the image that we want to include in our email, and we just right click Cut. It cuts it out of Paint, and then let's jump into our email, press New Email, and then let's give ourselves a couple spaces to write some lines, and then right click Paste. And so that's right in our email. Now we're basically going to do the same thing, but with the map that we had before. Here's our map. Our window is active. Control Alt Print Screen. Jump over to Paint. File New. We don't want to save this because we already have it in our email. Edit Paste. I must use this technique 10 times a day in order to send a piece of information to somebody. So we want, let's draw our circle first. Circle, outline, red, and that middle width. Okay, and we want to identify that it's just right in this area. Okay, I think that's clear enough. And then let's crop it here, and we want to keep these words in, and let's go all the way over here so they know specifically it's Tuna Harbor. If we're zoomed in too much, they might not see the area that we're talking about. So how about just like that, and then right click, cut, Let's minimize, jump back into our email. Let's give ourselves a couple spaces to write some lines, and then right-click, paste. So now we have some really clear pieces of information that we can share with other people. This is real useful for every department has basically geographic information that they want to share, and this is a nice, easy way to share. You don't need to necessarily go to a graphic designer for them to. If you just want it to be a down and dirty piece of information, this is a real easy way for you to do it on your own. My name is Ari Isaac. I'm a GIS analyst at the Port of San Diego. My phone number is 619-400-4778, and my email is aisaak@portofsandiego.org. We're really excited about the Port GIS program, and I hope you are too. Thank you very much.